Hello and welcome. I have this mold that I got from Molds and Shapes, and it has this really cute inlay. It says Merry Christmas, and then I also have the mold for the holder. And what I want to do today is I'm going to use some green mica and some gold mica. I have mixed up 12 ounces of resin, and I will be using these two syringes. What I would like to or plan to do is to try to do a striping of alternating the green and the gold. So I will go ahead and pigment my resin, and I'm going to use a little more mica than I probably normally would because I do want it to be a deep color. So I'm actually going to take a big hunk like that twice. And that will be the green. And I'm going to do the same on the gold. Okay, so I'm just going to get that mixed up and I'll be right back. I now have my resin pigmented, and I'm using a 10 ml syringe, and I'm going to fill it completely. And I have these little cups that I'm going to use to sit it in so that I don't have to sit here and hold it the whole time. So I'm just going to fill it. And put it in that cup. Alright, and now I'm just going to take that syringe and I'm going to start apparently there, since it decided to drop there. I'm going to make just a line, and I'm going to go further down. And again. And just a little here at the end. Now I'm going to come in with the gold. And I'm going to butt up to the line furthest away. And then come back with the green. Now all I'm doing is going back over the lines I already created, just until it's full. And also, as a point of reference, each coaster individually takes about 40 ml of resin to fill. Alright, I'm going to let this one sit, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on these three as well as this large one, but I'm going to go ahead and work on the large one just to show you what I plan. For the legs here, I'm just going to put some green in the T. And then follow that with some gold. And then some more green. And more gold. And that's it. And each of the legs take about 4 or 5 mil. And I'm going to use the exact same technique on the coaster holder. Okay, and again, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other 3 coasters. So I will do that and I'll be back once they're cured and ready to demold. The coasters are now cured, so I'm going to go ahead and demold. All right, let's see what we have. Hopefully it turned out. Yes, it did. Now there is an inlay, as I had mentioned earlier, so I will go over that with some gold paint just to bring that out more. But that's all I would have left to do, and these would be finished. They turned out cool. And here's the holder base. Oh yeah. And then to actually put this together, all you do is take these little T pieces and you push them through the hole, and then you'll want to take some super glue or some UV resin and place it in that little gap so that you can adhere it, and that way it won't fall out. It'll actually stay there. I'm not going to do that right now just because I still need to do this inlay part, but that is all I'm going to do, is just push it through the hole, and then on the bottom side put some super glue to hold that in place. So I will work on painting the inlays and super gluing the T-legs into the holder for the coasters, and I will be back with a final view. I finished painting the inlay on these, and I also put together the coaster holder, and I just super glued those little T-legs on. But I think they turned out really nice. I really like them. I'll show you down to the holder as well. So this is a pretty easy DIY project that you could do for Christmas. I think these would make a lovely gift for someone. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.